Today I wanted to talk about the Amazon Relay, and I'm going to do this video to talk about how you can apply for Amazon Relay. If you are an owner operator, you are new to the industry, and you just joined and wanted to know how you can get loads from the Amazon load board. And I believe this video is gonna be for you, and just look at it and judge by yourself. But before that, if you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and share our videos. So, guys, what you want to do is log into leroy.amazon.com. Once you log in here, it will bring you to this website. And so once you are on this website, you want to scroll down and see where it says get started. So once you are on this page, the get started, it clearly says that if you want to register with Amazon to view and book spot work, you have to ensure that you have the following information and all the insurance coverage listed below. So in my introduction, this is what I was talking about. And these are the requirements. So the first thing, you have to have an active DOT number with interstate authority and a valid MC number. How do you check that? You go to DOT website and key in the number, your DOT number, and then it will tell you if your DOT number is valid or not. And then you have to be a carrier who is authorized to do property for hire. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration, that's a website. Your rating should be very satisfactory, and there is a way you have to go there. For example, if I go here and say server, if you don't know how to get to server, this is a server web. So if you go there, it takes you to the server. Must have gone to a different server. Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration. You go to this as this is the right one right here. And once you land on this page, this is what I was talking about. So you have to key in either your DOT number or MC number. And once you key in this number, the requirements, uh, the the rated, so it's just to show you like you have MCSA has to show you that you are on a satisfactory status. The other requirement is the commercial general liability insurance. The general liability insurance is less than 1 million per occurrence to 2 million in the aggregate. If you have 1 million, I've had some people who had 1 million and they called me back to say we need additional of another million to make 2 million aggregate. So for that one, there's no shortcut. You have to have that. Then the other liability, not less than 1 million in bio currency. If you have a trailer replacement coverage, uh, it has to show that that's 50,000. Of course, you do have to show them proof of coverage for the cargo insurance for at least 100,000. They don't care about the deductibles. You can have 100,000, 1,000 deductible or 2,500 deductible. Now, the workers' compensation insurance in all jurisdictions where your company operates. So for this, for the workers' compensation, if you do not have employees who require W-2s, you don't really need to have to meet this requirement. So on your application, you will have to declare and say that you don't have any employees. You are just an owner operator. But if you are going to have the drivers to drive your vehicles, then you would have to say so. And at the end of the year, you would have to give them 1099s so they can file their taxes because they would be independent contractors, no W-2s. Also, employer liability no less than this one you don't need to have it because you don't have any employees. So once you meet all these requirements here, the next step is to create a new account. And I know the computer is not going to allow me to create because it will not allow me to move forward if I don't enter the information. But I think you get the point. But if you wanted to create, what you do, you do create over here, and then it will ask you to enter your information here, your email, and create a password. Once you do that, it will it will um, it will allow you to move forward. But for the purpose of this video, I just wanted to concentrate on the general requirements you are supposed to meet before you even think about applying. So guys, I hope this video is going to help you, and I hope you learned a thing or two.